Yeah, back here at this safe shoulder, let's have a look today on the Lancia Delta S4 San Remo Rally. And it's an old kit from B-Max, but now we have a new name on it. New Hobby New model kit. Yeah, I don't know why that is, but that is it. Really great artwork. I absolutely love this car, of course. Lancia. Ferrari is good, it's nice, but when I see this Lancia Delta of course that ones, the old original, I don't want a Ferrari. I want to buy this, but you cannot buy it because it's expensive like hell. So let's see the other side. We have some pics how to make it, a toe tip sponsoring, and what is this? I cannot read that, but also things and some information. The color scheme, that's nice. What you need to color this thing, the car. Then we see the inside the box, and that's really great. Oh my god, look at it. Yeah, well, you cannot see a thing, but you can trust me. The whole, you have Revell, you have Tamiya, but I think this is one step further. It's really absurd how great this stuff is. It's masterclass model skill. Look at the tires. Oh my god. Look at it, look at it. That's the way you do it. Yeah. Well, we have this. It's an old artillery kit. And then when you see this, you can see the difference. But also the price of this thing is almost 50 euro, and this thing only 20 or something. I found it for 17, and this one I found for 24, which I like. I also have 4 or 3 from this model, to be honest, but yeah, when I see a Lancia, I just have to, I must have it. I don't know what it is. Well, I have no words for it. It's a Lancia. When you see a Lancia now, in 2020, I'm crying because that's no real Lancia. Fiat killed Lancia. But enough of that. Look at it inside. The quality of this stuff is really good. Here you can see the body. 3 parts. The middle part, the end of course, and the beginning. Because you can put the whole car, how you call it, you can make it open. You can see all the engine parts and something. Here you can see the decals. There are 3 pages of it. The little things and the bigger stuff. They also have, look at that. That is the things from beneath. How do you call it? The rubbers. No, normally you have to paint it, but here you can see you can also use a decal. That's really great. A lot of parts, so let's see the instruction guide. A lot of well, and English, of course. Yeah. Look at it. It's huge model porn. This is what we want, people, but it's a little bit expensive. Normally I wouldn't buy this thing, but I have a lot of Deltas, but I didn't have the Delta S4, so I thought, yeah, well, to be honest, I wanted to have the Martini Racing, but I cannot find it, so I take the toe tip. I also had no normal toe tip Delta, so that's great. And of course the painting and marking guide, the stickers. You can see the results. You have to remove it or leave it in, and also you can cut the front of it. And yeah, okay. I'm gonna I'm gonna build it sometime, and I will show you the results. But it takes a lot of time. I'm gonna build it really slow. Of course, I do my army stuff, if you can see here, all my work. But sometimes I must do something else, and that's cars or motorcycles. I make once a boat, but I will not not show you the results of well, you know it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment on that and join my Facebook, of course. The Safe Soldier on Facebook. Okay, meine Freunde, also vielen Dank, Leute, und bis zum nächsten Mal. I wanna say goodbye and see you next time for a new video. Greetings!